Welcome to another tutorial. So we've got our image here, which I want to turn from black to red. Before you start, ensure your background layer is unlocked by clicking the padlock icon. Let's grab our magic wand tool. Now, as you can see, if I select one of these letters right now, the spaces in between the letters stop Photoshop from selecting all the black parts in my image. So up here, uncheck contiguous so it selects by color. So now we make that selection again, and it has selected all the image based on the color. Next, let's go and select our paint bucket tool in the toolbar. Again, we will uncheck contiguous in the properties panel and use the color selector to choose the color you like. Now let's click anywhere in the selected area to change the color of our entire selection. Perfect. And that's how easy it is in Photoshop to select by color. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.